Solve the polynomial inequality x minus 11 times x plus 3 times x minus 9 quantity squared is less than 0. So, to do this, the first thing that I need to do is identify the zeros of the polynomial. So I can take each factor, set it to 0, and solve. So that means I have 0 at 11, -3, and 9. Now I put those zeros on a number line in order of increasing. So -3 is the smallest, then 9, and then 11. Now, I'm looking for values that are less than 0, so none of these values would actually be included in the solution. I can go ahead and just circle them with open circles. That's fine. The next thing that I need to do is pick some test values to see what's happening in each range. So on the interval from -infinity to -3, I could pick a test value of -4. From -3 to 9, I could choose 0. Here I could choose 10, and lastly, I could choose 12. Now I just see what's happening on each interval by plugging that test value into the polynomial. So -4 minus 11 is -15. And it doesn't really matter that it's -15, it's just that it's negative. -4 plus 3 is negative. So this is negative times negative. And then -4 minus 9 is negative. Then we're squaring it, so it's going to become positive. And in fact, anything that I plug into this value is going to be positive, so I really don't need to consider using it. So it's really just negative times negative, which gives me a positive result. If I plug in 0 here, 0 minus 11 is negative, 0 plus 3 is positive, so this is a negative result. If I plug in 10, 10 minus 11 is negative, 10 plus 3 is positive. So this is a negative result. And then 12, I do negative and positive. Or sorry, 12 minus 11 is positive. So positive times positive. So the result is positive. So the range of values here that are less than 0 are the ones that are negative. So we color in those ranges or shade them in and build our answer in interval notation with those. So from -3 to 9, and then from 9 to 11. And be careful not to join this into one set, because if you join this into one set and say it's -3 to 11, this particular set includes 9, but 9's not a possibility, so you do have to skip that over, so make sure you don't answer with that.